Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Let's make another very nice school project which is very easy to do and we only need very few parts. Okay, we need a PVC pipe. Now this is very easy to get from any electrical shop. Okay, so this one is, let me check, this one is 6 centimeter wide. So you can ask for 6 centimeter wide PVC casing from any electrical shop. And I have taken around 23 centimeter. Okay. So, but this length is approximate. So they will cut it and give it to you. So you don't need to worry about cutting it. But in case if you don't get this, you can use any wooden piece as well. So after that, we need two wooden screws. Now this is, say this one is 6 centimeter, two wooden screws. Now what I have just made two holes at two ends of this. You can use any sharp object to make these holes, and then I will attach the screws like this. So they form two firm support for us to attach the wire. Okay, so we have used a PVC casing and two screws. After that, we will need some hookup wire, and this wire you can get it from any electronic shop. This wire has a stiff copper wire inside. Okay, so this is not a flexible wire. Okay, so what I have done is I have stripped out the sleeve of this wire this long. Be careful, the end could be sharp. Okay, so this is a long stretch of hookup wire like this. Okay, and I've also taken another piece of hookup wire. So on this wire I have made a loop at one side. See, like this. Can you see this? So around 1 centimeter diameter loop I made, and other end is stripped like this. Okay. Now what we will do with this wire, one end of the wire we will attach one end of the wire, we'll attach like this. When we attach, we'll leave some sleeve here. We will see why. Okay, so I will also make a small dent here. Okay, so then we will make this wire in a zigzag fashion. Okay, and attach it on the other end like this. So this is how the whole setup looks. Can you see this? So there is one wire. Sorry, I made a mistake. We need to also insert the loop that we have made before we attach the other side. Okay, let's attach it again. Okay, so this game setup is, so the game setup is complete. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how the game setup looks. Okay. Now what we need is, we need a 9-volt battery. Such 9-volt batteries can be obtained from any electronic shop. Okay, and you will also get a connector to connect to the battery. So without this connector, it's very difficult to connect to such a 9-volt battery. So I have taken this connector, and we also need a component called a buzzer. It looks like this. It has got 2 pins, one shorter pin and one longer pin. The longer pin is marked as plus. See here, plus is marked. Okay, so we will also need 2 wires. Now I have used an easy to connect wire with 2 clips on either end. You can get these wires with these crocodile clips from any electronic shop. Okay, we will also get it from Amazon. So it's easy to connect without having to solder anything. So now what we will do is, we will connect the red wire to the longer pin of the buzzer, and the black wire. Now color is not important. I have got red and black. So in this case, black I'm connecting to shorter pin, which is negative. Now what we will do is, we will take these 2 ends and touch the ends to the battery to confirm that the buzzer is working. Okay, so buzzer is working. Then we will attach the connector for the battery. Okay, this is attached. Make sure that these 2 ends don't touch to avoid any short circuit, and then we will now test the connector. So the black wire I'm connecting to the black of the battery. The red wire I'm touching to confirm that the connector is working. So connector is working. Now this red wire, I will attach it to this wire coming from this left side screw. Okay, and the black wire, I will attach it to and the red wire, I will attach it to the moving wire. Now if you see, when this wire touches this, you will hear the buzzer. And the loop that we have made here is a place this wire can rest easily without triggering this loop that we have made here is helping us to begin the game without making the alarm sound. Okay, so let's set it up. And so this is how it looks. And how do we play? So you have to move this movable wire from here carefully without touching the other wire. Okay, so let me try again. So this is the game that you can easily build and it is going to be very attractive for any science experiments. So this is a project that you can make as a part of your school science experiments. Okay, and you can also use a timer and ask your friends to hold this steady at any specific position. See how long they can hold. Okay, and once you are done, make sure that you bring the wire to this end so that it rests without making the sound. And also it's important that you remove the connector from the battery to avoid any short circuit. Perfect. This one is a very attractive school project. Please share, subscribe, and remember to comment on these videos. And if you have any ideas that you want us to build, please feel free to let us know. At Schogini Toys, we make such DIY kits with small electronic modules which are very easy to connect like this. The link to our products are available in the description of this video. Okay, take care, best wishes, and please share, subscribe so that you get notified when we launch new videos. Take care, bye bye.